back to my another video, and this is how you to make some flaming arrows using a dispenser. Okay, you're gonna need some any kind of block that cannot burn. Let's take it off all of this. Okay, that don't use wood because the wood is gonna burn if you put a lava. Okay, you're gonna do is you need some 5 of these, 1 2 3 4 5 like that, and some I'm wrong, you need first 3 of them. Get your dispenser, put it in the middle, and you'll do it like this. 1 2 1, do it like this, 1 2, and you cannot put it in there because you're gonna go to there. Put it in here, and some like that, some using stairs, crouch, so you cannot like that. Another in here, not there, there, like that, and put some on the top like that, and on that. Oh no, I'm wrong. You're gonna do it in the front because that's where the dispenser's gonna shoot. Yeah, that, there, and 1 2 3, and you need to do it on the front. So crouch again so you cannot fall, and like that. 1 2 1 2, and on the top like that, and put some holes. 3 1 2 3, and after that put some lava on the top, there in here, and take it like that, and break this, break, so like that. And after you do it like that, on the back of the dispenser, don't put it in here, on this like that, put some redstone in here, redstone there, and here, and you're gonna connect it on there. 1 like this, 1 like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 like that, and you need some pressure plate. I'm gonna go to my house. This after you have your pressure plate, 11, put it in here, and it's like that. See, you hear that? And after that, get some wool. 1 2 3 4, and any kind of blocks. Like that. So it's done. That's, if you want, you put some design. Oh no, and get some arrows. Where's my arrow? Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna skip this and I'll be back soon. Okay, I'm back. So like this. Back now. You're gonna do it like that. Like that. And put some two of this. Put some redstone. So many. 1, 2 there. And 1, 2, and let's take some. You need 11 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That, and here, pressure plate, pressure plate or a lever. I want pressure plate. Okay, there. After you have your pressure plate, put it in here and take off all here, take all off. So it's like that, and you need to put some targets. Some wool so it's gonna get on fire. Okay, like that. So that's your target. Oh no, you're gonna put your arrow there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So drop any kind of there. It cannot set on fire. You need it can set on fire at the end. See, only at the end. See, it's like that. So if you want to, you can put some in here, any kind of design, so it looks so good. So that's it. That's how you make firing that can shoot arrow with fire. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video.